Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the biometrics and password. Now we have to tap on the fingerprint ID, enter the screen lock if you've got one to confirm, and now tap on new fingerprint. Here we've got the instructions, what we have to do. So as you can see, the scanner is under the screen. It is not physical, so let's tap on add fingerprint. And because of that, we've got the note that you have to be aware that some kind of third-party screen protectors may affect the scanner. Alright, so here we've got it. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Alright, now the edges. Alright, we've got it. Oh, okay. Again. I have to say it is quite accurate and alright, let's simply tap on OK, and as you can see, now we've got this fingerprint section where we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. We can change the fingerprint animation, it's up to you, just mark the option you'd like to use. This is our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add new one, and identify fingerprint. This option it will be useful if you will have more than one fingerprint added. Alright, so now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me look it. Let's find out. I do not see the scanner, but let me put my finger somewhere where the scanner was. It is now working, that's okay. We have to unlock it, kind of, just wake it, and then put our finger on the sensor, and our device will be unlocked immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.